certainly a grand day for the beach today, and it's late autumn and we are enjoying this beautiful weather here in Australia. It's a perfect day because the wind is light, the tide's out, and I haven't had this aircraft up for a long time. This is the Globemaster, the C-17 from X-Flight. Beautiful flying aircraft. So we'll enjoy taking this one up and putting some cameras on it. Let's fly. We're wobbly on the takeoff, bring it around. Coming down towards the wind. Try and get it in a bit closer if I can. Always a bit nervy when you haven't flown a model for quite some time. I want to get it low and slow. So we'll bring the thing down with the flaps on. Flaps are off. She's way out to sea now. Now I'll try and get just a little bit lower if I can. She's coming in against the wind now. I'm glad this one's got flaps. She really needs the flaps to land. Beautiful blue sky, looks great, the grey on the sky. Now let's try it for a landing. Tide is coming in, so I've got to be conscious of that. Just over in the dry area. That's it. And bringing her back, taxiing along the dry sand. Okay, there we go. Here's something interesting about this model. If I'm to place the wing mount over here, it's really going to be blocked out by all the motors and things. I'll try it, but I don't know how it will go. I'll put another camera on the other side to make sure. It's probably not going to capture too much because you can see that's coming across and hitting this area here, and the motors are hiding the rest of the body. But we'll see how it goes. Beautiful, handling it well, as I would expect that side camera to handle. Bringing it down towards the wind. It's coming into the wind now. With a wide berth, ready for a landing. Flaps down. Camera is placed toward the rear. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the flights. Hope you enjoyed the beach and the salt air and the sand in your face. We'll see you on another video very soon. Bye now.